Welcome back, my friends. We are having a full hour of amazing crafts. And at the top of the hour, I gave you a little sneak peek about the next two items because I know you're super excited about Easter. And of course, our today's special, we were talking a lot about getting excited about upcoming events. And of course, the Easter holiday with all the new crafts from Anna Griffin. Well, guess what? Our fun continues because if you did not know or you missed the top of the hour, we talked about this amazing set from Stamps of Life. These are both floral. We're going to get to the alphabet in just a bit, but we're going to start right over here with this gorgeous Easter set. This is the Easter egg folded stamp and die kit. And what you get, of course, is the stamps. You get the metal dies. You're getting the magnetic board for the dies, as well as adhesive enamel dots in 2 sizes and 5 colors, which is amazing. And then you're getting 6x6 adhesive sheets, 10 of those, as well as the 6x6 glitter sheets, 2 of each, and the light pink, the dark pink, aqua yellow, and light green, as well as your instruction card. Now, this is adorable. Do you see what you can create here? I know you were getting super excited about it because as soon as we talked about it really quickly at the top of the hour, it started to sell very quickly. So let's welcome in our friend Stephanie Bernard. She is joining us live on Skype to talk about this amazing set. Hey there, Stephanie.
Hi, Emily. How are you today?
I'm great. I'm great. I can't wait to see you walk through how this works because, again,
I know.
everyone's so excited about Easter coming up. It's such a great, vibrant color scheme that we're working with.
It is. It is. It's so adorable. Well, first of all, welcome to my craft room. This is where I craft every single day of my life. But this set is actually 2 sets in one. So it's kind of like a buy one, get one because it's 2, but they go together. So they coordinate, but they go together, but they're awesome on their own, that kind of thing. Let's go over here and I'm going to show you what you're going to get first. First, you're going to get 6 dies that have all these awesome words. So they have Happy Spring, Happy Easter, Excited for Easter. Then you're getting the egg folded. I'm going to show you how this works in just a second. You're getting the handy dandy postcard. You're getting 10 adhesive sheets. You're getting a photopolymer set 4x6 in size. All these fun little word phrases. You're getting one of our amazing magnets that are so wonderful and strong. Then you're getting some epoxy dots. Then you are getting, and put your sunglasses on because these are going to blind you. But look at those glitter papers. They are so amazing. Now, let's jump in and look at what we're getting, what we can make with this kit because it's so amazing. First, we can make egg-shaped cards, and they are so darn easy. They're called our fold-its. I'm going to show you how easy they are to make. But then we can also do these fun cards with the Happy Easter. Look how fun that is. Here we have it in Happy Spring. That glitter is just popping off of the card. But rest assured, my friends, it is die cuttable, but glitter does not come off. So you don't need to worry about any of the glitter coming off. So we have 2 kits in one. Let's look at each one first. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at the egg-shaped card. So this is what it comes with. It comes with 3 dies. Now, what if you don't want to do the flowers? Rest assured, you don't have to. You can do it without the flowers if you want. How do you make a fold-it? On the back of our dies, and I know the camera probably can't see it, but here at the top and on the side, it says place fold here. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab your cardstock, you're going to fold it in half. Oh no, this is so hard to do. Look at that, right? Then we're going to take that die, we're going to take it, see it says place fold here. We are going to run that through our die cut machine just like that with the fold on the inside of the die. That's going to give us something that looks like this. There we go. There's our card. Whoops, sorry. There's our card base. But we're going to die cut one normally so we can put it right on top. So we're going to die cut it normally, put it right on top. Then we get to play. Then we get to have fun. We can die cut this fun flower if we want to. We can die cut this other one, and then we can get something that looks like this. And this one's kind of falling apart on us here, but we can just adhere that right there. Boom. That's going to go on the front of our card. You get to decorate that any way you want. And then in the end, it's going to look like something like this. Look at how cute that fun background is on that. Now, other ideas for this egg. Here's another idea. You can put it directly onto a card front if you want to. Oh, and actually this one even, look at this. This is so cute. It even pops up like that. So you can have it look like that. It can be a stand-up card if you want it to. Lots of different options with these. Here's another one. Look at that gorgeous glitter. There's our cute little epoxy dots that you're getting with that. Drop that in the center. Oh, wait, don't forget, you're also getting a photopolymer stamp set. Have an excellent Easter. And then you can put your message on the inside. So adorable. Now, here's another option. using that egg without the flowers, completely different, but look at how different you can make it. And it's all in the same kit. Now you can even go a little more exciting and do both of them together. Here is the egg with the words on the inside. And look at this, it's also a shaker. Now these
Ooh.
words are extremely, I know, is that awesome? These words are extremely unique because you're gonna notice two different things here. Number one, those words are stuck in that egg. Number two, this is die cut itself. So how did we do that? Well, it's called a drop-in series. So we're talking about folded and drop-ins at the Stamps of Life. Here is our die that says Happy Easter. Here's the die that goes on the outside. If we run these together at the same time, we're going to get the orange words here. Happy Easter. It's going to be a die. It's going to pop out and it's going to look just like this.
Oh,
right?
that's gorgeous.
Here's our Happy Easter. See that?
Mm-hmm.
But what if we took a card base and we used just the one inside die? Then we are going to get something that looks like this when we run it through our die.
Oh, I love it.
Isn't that, look at that. Isn't that fun?
That is fun.
So there's two different options on each one.
Yes.
And it is so much fun. You can even make a cute little basket. Look at this. Isn't that adorable?
Oh my gosh, it's adorable, but also incredible that you're getting this home, this entire set for this incredible value. $34.95. This is brand new, my friends. You have never seen this before because, again, we are launching it just today in this hour for our National Craft Day event. Okay, we're moving on to something that I have been going gaga over since I saw it in my show this morning. I'm like, yes, anytime I can have some beautiful dimensionality and layering and shadowing and all the things when it comes to my letters and being able to, look at this, happy birthday, HBD, love it. You have so many different options here. And again, this is from Stamps of Life. This is the floral alphabet layering die set. So we're going to talk about how you can achieve all of this gorgeousness and really just up your game when it comes to making your cards and using these beautiful lettering. Stephanie, tell us about this because I know this won't last very long. People are going to snatch it up because they love their lettering.
I know, it is amazing. And can I just say, I am the designer, I'm the owner, I'm the everything at Stamps of Life practically. I do have an amazing team. But this alphabet set, yes, you're getting the shadows. Yes, you're getting the regular dies. There's so much, I couldn't even fit them on one sheet here. You're also getting extra little flowers at the bottom there. Now, keep in mind, my friends, I designed this alphabet. I placed every single flower on each letter. So each letter, I put that little flower, I put that little dot on every single letter. So I designed this one 100% on my own here. Look at how cute that is. You can put these on A2 size cards. You can put these on slimline cards. You can put these on gatefold cards. Look at that. There's the cute little high right there. I know, isn't that pretty? Here we go on a stand-up card that's A2 in size. Here's another A2 in size. So fun. And then the possibilities are really endless with this because you can do it on all different sizes. Here's a 5x7 card. Again, we have our fun florals. You have that shadow option if you want to. You don't have to use the shadows if you don't want to. Here it is on a stand-up card, which is so cute. Lots of different ways you can do this. Oh, here it is on a mini slimline and a regular A2 size card. So you're going to be using this alphabet on every size card that you have. And the possibilities are literally endless because obviously you can do anything you want. So there we go. We have our fly. Look at that. Oh, here's a mom card. Mother's Day is coming up. So let's start thinking about Mother's Day. Look at how cute that is there. Ooh, and what about on a slimline card? Pink. You know, pink is my favorite color. It's the best color in the world. Or we can go and do other languages if we want to, because we have that full alphabet option. Or here's another cute one, XO, XO, XO. Oh, and I have to show you this one. This is from our window card that I brought on earlier today. This is our 5x7 window card. It pops up, as you can see there on the sides, but it folds flat for mailing. So you can mail this in a regular card, but look at how gorgeous that frame is when it pops up, and it's so much fun. Here's another option. Here's a gatefold card. We're going to open this up. This is our cascading die set that I brought on earlier today. Look at how gorgeous that is. Hugs. Can you imagine? Look at that. That is like a work of art right there.
So cute.
But you're going to send this to your friend. You're going to send this to a loved one. They're going to open this up and they are going to think you are hugging them in person because of how gorgeous that is. Look how fun that is. I absolutely love that. You can also create fun banners. My parents' wedding anniversary was 56 years yesterday. So
Oh,
happy anniversary,
congrats.
mom and dad.
Oh,
Look at that. I could have made this for them and given this to them. Can you imagine giving this to someone? They would have fallen in love. Oh, and we even have one of the designers made a little tag for HSN
oh,
because we all love our HSN.
thank you.
See, you look at this. I've made so many different ideas here. And ooh, get that glitter paper from the egg kit that we just showed you. And look at that.
Oh,
That is the
look.
most shiny. That's prettier than a diamond, if you ask me. Look
Oh,
at how gorgeous that is. Those,
absolutely. Okay,
and
really
those
quickly,
little
Stephanie,
flowers.
I just wanted to
I'm
cut
sorry.
in just to let our friends
Yes.
know our sold counter is now up because we only have
Uh-oh.
a few hundred available for the entire day. And again, it is crafting day. So that being said, I will say this is the first time that we are airing this. First time already over 200, nearing 250 have been sold already. So this is your opportunity to be able to get this home right now because you don't want to wait. I know we have a big crafting event coming up this evening, but please do not wait until then. I hate to have you be disappointed that you weren't able to get this home, especially with how versatile this is, how many different options you have here when it comes to crafting all those beautiful cards or scrapbooking pages. Because again, our lettering comes in so handy. And the fact that you have these beautiful dies you can use in so many different ways, the value truly is incredible for something that we brand new launched just within this hour. Stephanie, okay, tell me
Yes,
about this because again, you said you designed this for our friends.
I did.
This is
Well,
something that you came out of, I obviously out of necessity, but also out of
yes.
your love for crafting.
Absolutely. So I design everything at the Stamps of Life, and I'm a crafter. I just design stuff that I want. One day I woke up and said, I need a floral alphabet. I need something that's going to have cute little flowers in it. I need flowers that are bigger that I can add onto my projects. And so I just woke up and started doing it. I'm a little nutty in that sort of sense because I love just to create things like this. Here we go. Here's now we can also be personalizing our projects because we can easily write any name we want by just die cutting it. The fun thing also is you can add the shadows separately. So here we have the white shadow and then we offset the blue shadow. So there's lots of different options when you're using this. And it's so nice because now you can add the more personalized touch to your cards. You're going to be using these on all different size cards. This is an A2 size. Here we showed the 5x7 size. You're going to do the slimline size. Oh, look at this one. This one's amazing. Here is a 5x7 scalloped edge. And look at how gorgeous that hello is. It pops off the page when you use foam squares behind it. And it's just so lovely. You're going to have all of these different options. So fun. And look at that. You, a gift for you. You're going to be able to create anything you want using these dies because you can totally interchange them, right?
Yes.
So here we have the love. You can do different colors. You can do different size cards. And you can even use this on scrapbooking banners, which was really fun. I'm telling you, I can't believe I didn't give this one to my parents. They're going to freak out that I.
Oh, you still have time. That's perfect. So 897301 is the item number for this amazing floral alphabet layering die set from Stamps of Life. Grab it while you can. 300 sold. We just went over. So
wow.
I just wanted to say, Stephanie, it has been a pleasure. I'm so glad that you brought this to us today because I know all our friends are literally stocking their carts up right now to be able to get in the best value of the day. The fact that you can fill your cart for $7.50, and that is all you're going to be paying for shipping. Oh my gosh,
Emily,
thank you, Stephanie.
Emily, really quick, can I just tell you, all of my items today are exclusive to HSN. You cannot get them anywhere else. So the HSN teams need to know that you cannot get it anywhere else. You can't get it on my website anywhere, only at hsn.com.
All right, for our friends who craft with us here, an exclusive